Salamat sa iyo, aking Panginoong Jesus. Ako'y inibig mo.
You see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby. See the butterflies, colors. Listen to the birds that sing for me.